Cruise Cam X1 GPS Full HD 1080p with a wide 170° field of view. 360° rotatable lens for versatile mounting, front, cabin or side. Built-in GPS for speed and location tracking. Durable aluminum body with heat-resistant super capacitor. Easy plug-and-play installation. Wi-Fi app control for video download and live preview. Budget-friendly option with premium build. Redtiger F7N Dual Channel 4K Ultra Clear 4K front plus 1080 rear recording. Excellent number plate. Clarity day and night. Built-in GPS with speed location logs. Sleek, award-winning design. Wide 170° on front and 140° rear coverage. Dual channel protection. Ideal for front and rear coverage. Intuitive app for video playback, settings and firmware updates. DDPAI Mini Pro. Compact design blends discreetly with your windshield. Crisp Bolu96p 2K approx resolution with wide dynamic range. f2.0 aperture lens for strong low light performance. Super capacitor ensures long-term reliability. Wi-Fi enabled app for quick file transfers. Voice enabled event capture through DDPAI app. Great value for first-time dashcam users. Qubo Car Dashcam Pro X3, a segmental rotating full HD camera for flexible view angles. Front cabin. Supports massive storage up to 1 TB micro SD. Built-in GPS for precise tracking on select models. Designed for Indian road conditions and vehicles. User-friendly app with live view and playback. Compact and stylish form factor. Simple DIY installation without hard wiring. TDPAI M311 1:26p QHD resolution for sharp day-night footage. Voice control for hands-free recording commands. Type-C power input for modern compatibility. Parking surveillance mode. Support compact and lightweight. Easy dashboard fit. Smooth Wi-Fi connectivity with 70 mMi app. Trusted brand with excellent long-term reliability. Best in class. Redtiger F7N for clarity, dual channel coverage, build quality and smarter feature set. The Redtiger F7N stands out as the strongest overall. Its real 4K front sensor provides superior clarity, especially in low light, and it's paired with decent rear footage. Numerous user reports call its image quality among the best in its price range. If you're okay with more involved installation and don't need 360-degree rotating view, it's your top choice. Runner-up options, depending on use. Best value, entry-level compact setup, DDPAI Mini Pro. Excellent daytime and nighttime video, simple setup, ideal for front-only coverage. Most user-friendly for Indian traffic, cabin monitoring. Qubo Pro X, rotating full HD camera covers. Cabins are front side, though it has some firmware quirks. Voice control ease and reliable Indian support. 70mm NI M310. Solid all-rounder with voice commands and parking mode. Occasional app-PI connectivity issues. Basic but rugged 360 color field of view on budget. Boult Cruise Cam X1. Affordable, GPS equipped, easy to install, but lacks high-end video resolution.
Product links are displayed in the description area. You may use them to buy. Thank you. Your support means a lot. Hit that subscribe button to keep getting valuable product comparisons and buying tips.